Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, coming to you from middle of nowhere, Indiana today. I'm gearing up for another trip to Thailand. I'm gonna go visit my wife, Guy, for 3 months, 4 months, hopefully more, you never know. But work ended about a month early this year for me, where I decided I was done. There's a lot goes into that. We could get into that later maybe, but not right now. Taking a bus from there's a town about 40 minutes away where a Greyhound and Flixbus comes through, and I'm going to go from there, take that up to Chicago, which cost me about $28. A Greyhound, I've never rode one of those. I've been on Flixbus here in the States a few times and a few times in Europe, but I've never been on a Greyhound in the United States, so that should be hopefully uneventful. It's only like a 2.5 hour drive up to Chicago bus terminal. I'll go from the bus terminal, take a short walk over to their subway, underground train, or you know, their train system, and I don't know what that costs. It's pretty cheap. Take that out to O'Hare, and then tomorrow afternoon I'll hop on a Cathay Pacific flight from Chicago to Hong Kong, short layover in Hong Kong, and then down to Bangkok, and then I'll stay overnight in Bangkok, get up the next morning, go back to Suvarnabhumi, and then fly up to Khon Kaen, meet my wife at the airport. I still have to fill out my TDAC thing, you know, the arrival information. I'm gonna do that this evening. I got my YouTube Premium downloaded, so I got a bunch of YouTube videos downloaded to my phone, so I can watch them, listen to them on the flight, because the flight from Chicago to Hong Kong is 15 hours or something. It's a brutally long flight, and you know, get to Thailand. I'm going straight to Khon Kaen this time. I'm not wasting any time. Like a lot of times, well, every time up until now, guys met me at Suvarnabhumi, and we went down to Pattaya and hung out, and you know, let me adjust to the jet lag, the times, because right now it's 13-hour difference over there where I'm at here in Indiana. So it takes me 4 or 5 days to adjust to that. I feel really bad that first week because of the time change. So this time we're just going to go home, not waste any money, because I just end up not doing anything those 4 or 5 days where, you know, we're in like a resort destination, and I just moan and groan and sleep that first week. So we're going to do that at home this time, and then hopefully, and then at some point we'll travel about and do a few things in Thailand. So I got my onward flight. I got to do TDAC still. You know, the arrival information that you do electronically now. It used to be the TM6 form or TM30 or whatever it was called. I think it's TM6. And I used to get it on the plane before COVID, and they did away with it, and now they got this electronic thing. I bought a bunch of fishing gear that got shipped to the house in the village, so I'm ready to, like, you know, try to catch some fish again. And you know, we're just gonna hang out and try to make some cooking videos, do a few new things with YouTube and some short form content, TikTok, Reels, maybe Instagram, I'm not sure. And just try to enjoy the winter, because I got 3 months, maybe more, before work will pick back up. And here's the cows. And you know, we're just going to hang out, and hopefully, you know, well, we're definitely going to enjoy ourselves. Hopefully we can have some luck on social media this time, because I've never really, since me and Guy have got together and then got married, I haven't put a whole lot of effort into YouTube or anything else. And like, I went and visited her in the summer back in June and July, and I was only there for about 28 days or so, so I did a little bit of filming, but not much. And this time we want to put a lot more effort into it, both of us as a team. She wants to do some cooking, and I want to cook with her. We don't even know yet. We're gonna try to just take it as it comes, and hopefully have some luck on this thing again. Oh, you don't want to hang out today? Usually if I take a walk out here, they'll follow me down and then they'll follow me back. It's kind of funny. Oh, there's Missy. She's like 15 years old. She's a good dog. But I'm just out here at my mom's house. I'm doing some laundry right now, getting ready to pack my stuff up, tie up a few loose ends. I think here's the bull. Yep, that is him. Or one of them. He's a big boy. All them flies on his back, you see that? And yeah, so hopefully you guys will stay tuned and watch some of my new Thailand content that's coming up. And I'll have links to anything else we do in the descriptions of the videos coming if you want to follow us on other platforms. And yeah, this has been Zach, just hanging out with the cows. He's supposed to get up like 80, 85 degrees today. So summer isn't gone yet. You know, regardless of what the calendar says, it's still nice and warm here. But head out from here, go to Thailand and bake for a few months, and then, you know, it's not so bad. All right, guys, it's been Zach with Savage Traveling with a quick update from what's going on here. You know, it's you know, day by day. Peace.